everybody, Vikram Sethi here, art curator and art organizer. I'm very happy and proud to say that this lovely show I've organized called Heal the World, especially for those people and all those artists who come through hard times. We all have been through a very hard phase globally, in India, everywhere, and recovered, and some have lost their loved ones and their dear ones, and some have suffered themselves. So the whole purpose of the show was to portray lovely paintings and beautiful images of all the various artists, the emerging ones, the new talents, and the maestros for the concept of Heal the World. So I'm very happy and proud to present this show to all of you, titled Heal the World. I would like you to go through all the artist slides and the presentation, and anything which you love or like, please do get back in touch with me and let me know, and we can further the discussions. So enjoy the viewing, my dear viewers. Hello everybody, Vikram Sethi here. It's with great pleasure I'm introducing Tarun Art Gallery, Mr. Tarun Sharma, the managing director. He has for several years promoted artists from all over the world and dealing with international auction houses as well as art galleries from all over the world. He has vast experience in this gallery, and between his father and himself, it's done wonderful promotion of emerging artists as well as the masters. And he also was actively involved with World Art Dubai in 2020, in which he promoted prominent artists. It's a great pleasure that in Heal the World he is part of our show, and I have immense happiness in introducing him to all our viewers and art lovers. Thank you. I'd like to introduce artist Kanhaiya Gupta, who was born in Ghazipur, UP, and he is a famous sculptor who does canvas paintings through mediums such as water, oil and enamel. His father too is a famous artist. Kanhaiya has 25 years experience in the art world, and he has won many accolades and to devotion to his art and his paintings. He has also worked in many temples, and his paintings depict various testimony to famous idols, landmarks and manuscripts. So today we are introducing 4 works of his, so please have a look at them and kindly enjoy the viewing. Thank you very much. Today I am promoting artist Tapan Das, who is from Bhubaneswar, and he has done several artworks and paintings all over India, and he has also been awarded the IFAC scholarship in New Delhi in 1998, as well as silver medal East Zone in the Youth Festival of Rewa in Madhya Pradesh. He's also got the Nalco State Award and several other awards. So I'm presenting 4 works of his after this introduction, and I would love all of you to have a look at his works, and please do ask me any queries if you have any of the works. Enjoy the viewing. Thank you very much. Today, it's with great pleasure, I'm introducing artist Vikas Podar. He started his career from the advertising world, and from there on became an artist in the early 90s. And he has a unique distinction of mixing his miniature art with the colors of Japanese and Chinese art. And along with that, he's also done very, very famous landscapes. So today, 4 of his works are presented in Heal the World show, and it'll be nice for all of you to enjoy the viewing of his show. So kindly see the works and please enjoy the viewing. Thank you very much. Thank you. Great pleasure today I present the work of Kishore Roy. Kishore Roy is one of the leading artists who's done works on the Lord Krishna series, and his works are unique, full of rasa, contemporary yet timeless. His series Magic Flute, telling untelling stories, is a symphony of love and beauty. He is born and brought up in Calcutta and now based in Delhi. And today we are presenting 4 of his works. So please have a look at the Flute series of Lord Krishna and enjoy. Thank you.